Hello everyone, my name is Angelin K. Matthew, and in this video, I will be showing you the technical walkthrough for my CodeLab second assessment 2, the data-driven application. I will be explaining how my Trivia Quiz application works by breaking down the code into key sections. Now this section imports all the required libraries. Tkinter is used for the GUI, for the graphical user interface. Request over here is used to fetch live quiz data from an online API. So basically from the Open Trivia API. And Pygame over here handles the background music and the sound effects, and below is used to load the images and resize the images. And over here HTML module helps to decode the special characters coming from the API. Next section is the theme and the design configuration. So here I define a global theme dictionary. This controls all the fonts and the colors used in the app, so the design stays constant and also easy to modify. Next comes the scrollable frame. This custom scrollable frame is used in the answer review, like in the very end there is a score sheet, and then there is a button, answer review screen, so it allows users to scroll through the questions smoothly using the mouse wheels. And now main application class, like this is the main application class. It initializes the window, then loads the assets, sets the game state, and controls the navigation between the screens. Next is the asset loading, the asset loading. So this function loads all the images, and audio files used in the app. Images are then resized to match the window size, and also the sound files are prepared using the Pygamer mixer. If any assets are also missing, the app safely shows an error. Now this was the hardest part, like the invisible, the clicks on. So instead of the traditional buttons and all, this function creates an invisible clickable area on top of the image. So I have used Canva images, and in that this allows the UI to look like a real game interface while like still being interactive and all. Now the setup menu, this one helps to navigate the screen. Each screen, such as menu, instructions, then this game screen, is handled by a separate function. Next comes the settings and the audio control. So these functions allow real-time, the control of sound effects and background music using the sliders. The volume changes instantly without starting the application. This next one is the data-driven API fetching place, like the main function of the entire assessment. Like the app then fetches the real-time quizzes, like the questions from the Open Trivia database using a session token to avoid duplicate questions and all. The questions are stored dynamically and displayed during the gameplay. Next main section is the gameplay and the timer. So like on the gameplay, so like each question has a 30-second countdown timer, then the timer updates every second using Tkinter's after method, and if the time runs out, then the question is auto submitted, it is automatically, the answers will be shown and it will be taken to the next question. Now next is the answer checking and the scoring, the last part of the session of the game, and this function usually checks the user answers, updates the score, plays, then sound effects, and shows feedbacks before moving to the next question. Over here you can also see the pop-ups coming up, and also the last scoring, this thing. Next is the results and the review, like the last page, the scoring page. At the end of the quiz, the user can see their final score and performance messages. Like the review screen allows the user to scroll through all the questions and compare their answers with the correct ones. So that is it. To conclude this project, demonstrated data-driven Python application using interactive UI designs and multimedia features. Thank you so much for watching my video.